Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Academy English. Once you learn the new words, the next step is to start making sentences using those words. I'm going to start a series in which I will help you make sentences with the most frequently used words in English language. You can also make sentences and write them in the comment box. I'll correct it for you. We are going to start with the word after. So let's start. After the rain, we went for a walk. We used after at the beginning of the sentence. We went for a walk after the rain. Here we are using after in the middle of the sentence. We went for a walk after. Here we are using after at the end of the sentence. Here there are more sentences. After we went for a walk. After a long day at work, I like to relax with a good book. I want to relax with a good book after a long day at work. I like to relax after a long day at work. After a long day at work, I like it. She arrived at the party after everyone had left. After everyone had left, she arrived at the party. After she arrived at the party. She arrived at the party after. Now make your own sentences using the word after. If there is a mistake, I will correct it. Thank you for watching and please leave your feedback in the comment section. Your feedback matters. Bye and see you again.